Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are several photo effects, which are similar to filters, that you can apply to your images. To do this, select Window, Effects from the menu bar to open the Effects panel. Alternatively, if using the basic workspace, you can click the Effects button towards the right end of the taskbar to view the Effects panel. Use the Select a Type drop-down at the top of the Effects panel to select a category of photo effects to show within the panel. Hover your mouse over the effects in the panel to see their names in a screen tip. Click an effect choice shown in this panel to immediately apply it. Different effects are applied in different ways. Some effects create a new layer above the existing layers in the file. Others may change the actual layer selected before applying the effect. To undo an effect you have applied after applying it, use either the History panel or the Undo command to reverse your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.